Welcome back to our channel. If you've ever been curious about the hidden messages behind a girl's gaze, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll dive into the psychology and subtle signals that might explain why girls look at you. Whether it's out of curiosity, attraction, or something else entirely, each look can tell a different story. Stick around to discover the intriguing reasons behind these glances, and watch until the end to see if you can spot these signals in your own life. 1. Attraction. Of course, one of the most common reasons a girl might look at you is attraction. A lingering gaze or a quick smile can be a subtle signal that she's interested. This kind of look is often accompanied by other body language cues like playing with her hair or a slight blush. It's her way of checking you out without being too obvious. 2. Curiosity. Sometimes, a look is just that, a look. Girls might glance at you simply out of curiosity. Maybe you're wearing something eye-catching, or you have an interesting presence that stands out. It's natural to notice something or someone different, so don't read too much into every gaze. It's a simple yet fascinating reason behind those looks. 3. Recognition. Ever felt like you're being watched, only to find out it's someone who knows you? Girls may look at you because you remind them of someone they know, or they think they recognize you from somewhere. It could be a mutual friend, a familiar face from social media, or even just someone who looks like you. 4. Assessing the environment. Sometimes, girls look around their surroundings to assess the people and vibes in a room. If you catch her looking at you during this quick scan, it might not be personal, it's just part of her taking in the environment. This can happen in social settings where everyone is gauging each other's energy. 5. Social signals. Finally, a look can be a social signal, either consciously or subconsciously. Girls might use eye contact to gauge your reaction, see if you're approachable, or even to send a subtle message. This can be part of flirting, establishing a connection, or simply acknowledging your presence in a friendly way. And there you have it, 5 secrets behind why girls might look at you. Whether it's curiosity, attraction, recognition, assessing the environment, or sending social signals, each glance can mean something different. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing content like this. See you in the next one.